Welcome back. In the previous video, we saw the demo that we are going to create an Angular web app using ASP.NET Web API, and we have seen the functionalities that it is going to perform. In this video, we will create a database and we will create tables into the database, and we are going to insert records into the tables, and then we are going to create web API project. Let's begin. Open SQL Server Management Studio. It will ask you for the credentials. Select the server type as database engine and give the server name as dot, and select authentication as Windows authentication and click on connect. Now, to create a database, there are two ways. One is right click on the database folder and click on new database. It will open a window, and here you can provide the database name. This is one way of creating a database. Another way is you can create a database using command. So click on new query, and here you can provide the command. Let us type the command. And select the command, click on execute. So it says commands completed successfully. Now let us create departments table. Just click on database and refresh it. Okay, and here we can see our database has been created. Click on it and right click on it and say new query. Okay, now we are going to create tables. So first we are going to create departments table. So for that the command is create table and provide the table name dbo dot departments. Enter, open the bracket. Here provide the department name, department ID, and data type is big int because we are going to accept integer values, big integer values. We are mentioning it as identity column, and this column value will get incremented by 1, and we are setting it as not null, and we are also going to provide department name, and data type is varchar 1000, and let's close it. So hopefully this command should work. Select it and click on execute. Great. Now let's create one more table. So the table name is dbo dot employ employees, and here here we have to provide employee ID. This is also going to be big int identity 1 comma 1, and this is also we are setting as not null, and then we have to give employee name varchar of 1000. This is just for demo purpose. In real-time scenario, you have to be very specific with employee name, department name, whatever field you are going to create in your database tables. Those fields should be very specific. Just because we are going to create a demo, that's why I'm just taking a random number here. Department var char of 1000. Then we are also going to accept mail ID. Okay, and uh, data type is varchar only. And finally, we will be taking date of joining, which is going to be date, and close the bracket. Let's let's select it and execute. Great. So we have created two tables, departments and employees. Let's see the data inside these tables. Select star from dbo.departments and select star from dbo.employees. Okay, you can run both query at the same time. I'm selecting both and executing. So we have got no data in departments table as well as we have no data in employees table. Let us insert some sample data in both the tables. Okay, for inserting, the command is insert into dbo.departments, and since we are uh, providing identity, so we don't have to pass the value for identity departments, then values, and then here we have to pass the department name. I'm passing the department name as IT and I'm executing it. Okay, so it got executed successfully. Another record I'm going to create in employee table. Okay, employees table and values, and in here I'm going to pass employee name and department name. So employee name, let's say Ali, comma, then department name. If you're not sure, just check here, employee name, then we have department name. So I'll say IT, and then mail ID. I'm giving some random mail, sally at gmail.com, and then we have to provide date of joining. So it accept MMDDYY format. So I'm entering date as 5th of sorry May 24th 2021. So this is the record I'm entering. Let us execute this command. Okay, there is some date conversion problem. Yeah, here 2021 I have written wrong. So it should be 2021, not the 5 characters. Okay, so now the one row affected and completion of command. Let us check the inserted data inside our tables. So select these two queries and click on execute. So in department, we have one record and in employees, we have one record. Okay, that's it for this video. And in our next video, we will be creating web API project. Until then, see you. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.